Your immune system protects your body from infection and disease. Boosting your immunity is a good way to prevent these conditions from occurring. The human body has two main defenses against diseases: the skin and the immune system. In order to ensure that the skin is as strong as possible, it should be protected with clothing, sunscreen, and mosquito repellent to avoid mosquito bites that can cause infections. The other defense, which is way more important, is the immune system. It needs to be kept healthy by avoiding unnecessary contact with germs and should also be strengthened by eating a nutritious rich in antioxidants and staying hydrated during cold or flu season. In this video we will show you a list of 10 foods that will boost your immune system. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell to help us grow. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Almonds. Almonds are a powerful food to help strengthen your immune system. They are rich in manganese, copper, antioxidants, vitamin E, magnesium and other nutrients essentials which are all essential to strong immunity. Almonds also contain plenty of monounsaturated fats to help the body fight inflammation and infections. It has been proven that eating almonds reduce cholesterol levels in the body, which can reduce the risk of coronary diseases. They are a great choice for people who suffer from an autoimmune disease. 9. Carrots. Carrots are one of the most popular vegetables in the world due to their versatility and nutritional value. They are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is necessary for the development and functioning of all cells in the body. Carrot-derived beta-carotene can be converted to vitamin A by the intestine, so long as there are sufficient amounts of bile salts and fat present. Carrots have been shown to reduce the risk of lung cancer and may even improve night vision by providing protection against macular degeneration. Other benefits of eating carrots are to provide the body with an abundance of disease-fighting antioxidants to keep your skin looking young and healthy. An interesting and not well-known fact is eating one carrot can also help you get a good night's sleep. So next time you want to eat a healthy snack while watching a movie, try eating a carrot. 8. Salmon. Salmon is a fish that is grown in freshwater and saltwater. Salmon is very popular because of its delicious taste and the many health benefits that it provides. These health benefits are largely derived from the omega-3 fatty acids which are found in salmon, and omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that are required for maintaining good physical health. It's known that omega-3 fatty acids are known to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The Food and Drug Administration recommends eating at least 2 servings of seafood per week, preferably with at least one being a type of fish. So if you want your brain to function better or to keep your heart healthy, then eat more salmon. 7. Cauliflower. Not only has cauliflower become popular in many cultures for the variety of dishes it can create, but it is also known for its high vitamin C content, folate content, and vitamin K content. These properties make cauliflower a versatile veggie in the kitchen and healthy addition to any diet. Cauliflower's most important benefit may be its role in immune system support. Studies have shown that cauliflower contains glycosylates, which stimulate our immune systems by producing enzymes that act as natural antibiotics against bad bacteria found within the body. Studies also show that cauliflower has antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are essential because they help our bodies fight off free radicals, which can lead to DNA damage. Free radicals are typically produced through the process of metabolism, and they can cause damage to both cells and organs within our bodies if not properly regulated with antioxidants like cauliflower. 6. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. There is a common misconception that dark chocolate is unhealthy because it contains fat and sugar. However, according to a study conducted by the University of California, Berkeley, eating dark chocolate actually has a positive effect on your immune system. Despite what many people believe, eating dark chocolate is actually beneficial to one's health because it contains antioxidants that can help fight disease. The benefits of dark chocolate on your immune system and heart are well documented. This is because its antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. In other words, it strengthens the defense mechanisms in your body and protects against heart disease. Additionally, it has been proven to reduce blood pressure, increase blood flow and improve sleep quality. 5. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk product that was originally popularized in Russia, but it has been around for a long time. It is made by adding kefir grains to whole milk and letting the mixture ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days. The fermentation process generates different types of acids and probiotics that are believed to enrich your immunity. Probiotics are one of the best known beneficial gut bacteria because they have been shown to have a variety of health benefits in studies, including improving gut barrier function, reducing inflammation, helping to fight cancer cells, reducing blood pressure in people with hypertension. 4. Spinach. Did you know that 3/4 of the immune system is found in the gut? This means that the health of your digestive system has a direct impact on how your body reacts to harmful agents. One way to improve gut health, and therefore, immune system function, is to eat vegetables like spinach, which are rich in fiber. Spinach is also an especially rich source of carotenoids, including alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, zeaxanthin and lutein. It has long been touted as healthy food to include in any diet. It is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, K and folate. Recent studies have shown that spinach can help the body fight off colds and other illnesses because it gives a huge boost to the immune system. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritious food, and it has been shown to have a positive effect on the immune system. They boost it, making you less vulnerable to the cold and flu, as well as other types of infection. Broccoli can also help protect your body from cancer by preventing cells from turning into cancerous tumors. They belong to the cabbage family and is an edible green plant that has many nutrients including protein, calcium, iron, zinc. The name broccoli derives from the Italian word bracco, which means a sprout or a shoot. 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is a traditional fermented milk product consumed in many countries and has been used for centuries. The benefits of yogurt on your immune system and overall health are well documented in scientific literature, and there is an established scientific consensus that yogurt provides a diverse range of health benefits. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and probiotics, which are all vital for the immune system to function properly. It is even said that yogurt may help reduce the risk of breast cancer. Yogurt can be used to support healthy digestion, maintain a healthy weight, and promote good skin. There are so many other benefits from yogurt, including using it as a natural remedy for constipation or as a soothing agent for children with sore throats. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a culinary spice that has been used for over 3,000 years. It contains two unique compounds called allicin and selenium. These compounds have been found to help boost the immune system and provide antioxidant benefits. A study published by the National Institutes of Health found that the allicin in garlic helped fight off respiratory infections by killing bacteria and viruses in the lungs. Research also suggests that selenium helps provide antioxidant protection for cells from damage caused by free radicals, such as those caused by pollution or smoking. And that's it. Which immunity booster foods do you like most? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to see your contributions. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.